Factory.
It's like a whole notebook. Where do I find wings, guys?
We're there. Dito kami sa Cheesecake Factory.
How do I do this without spelling?
Celebrating our 5 years being here in America. So we already ordered our food. So we'll see. There's a crazy long line. So let's find out
That's why napkin is better.
why there's a lot of people here. If it's cheap here or the food tastes good. So let's find that out.
Oh yeah, I was dog. Sound like dog.
I was been coming over 5 years ago.
5 years ago. There you go.
Is it? Okay.
Oh.
Slide it.
Thank you. Thank you. So our
I'm all set. You guys good?
there you go. Our food has arrived. Yeah, this is chicken and shrimp. Wow, look at that.
I think that one was made for you.
Wow. It's enough.
Yeah, film it?
Hello. Okay, let's take a look. I'm gonna try this chicken. That's a little sweet and spicy. Really good. And tender. And crispy outside. Baliktad na to. Next is the shrimp. Wow. Really good. Okay.
It's like the 9/11. Really?
Tiramisu cake from the Cheesecake Factory.
It's horrible. Why did you pick that? It tastes like coffee. I only like the whipped cream.
I like the soft
Fish. Caught it. Look at this. Look at this eagle catch this fish the guy throws.
Oh, it's like a dog.
Right?
It's really good.
Yeah, catches it. Yeah. Huh? Did you see it?
Yeah, it was like fine.
Yeah, it was.
It's like a dog.
That was crazy.
Y'all better finish this.
And you are. There you go. How's the lunch or dinner?
Really good.
Okay.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Okay, there you go.
What is mine in
So we
there?
are now here in the mall. And we're going to check some stuff. So this is how it looks like, the mall here in America or Arizona. This is only like second floor. They have this H&M. I thought you're going to H&M. Yeah, it's big. Just not quite big like in the Philippines. Oh, Vans. There you go. There's the Apple Store. And then there where I bought my MK bag first.
Are you going to?
Victoria's Secret. Okay, we're going to Forever 21 and take a look. Let's see. What do you think you want to buy here, Be? I thought you're going to sit down.
See what she's gonna get.
That? Oh, Hello Kitty and Friends. That's what you want? Okay. I'm gonna buy maybe a little stuff from here. What is that? You like that one?
No, I want to go like that.
Oh my god. That's a big slipper.
Yeah.
Okay, so wala, tumitingin lang kami dito. So we'll see how much is the... Oh, look at this. $37 for this. Wow. So it's quite expensive, guys. Oh, pajama. This is how it looks like here, guys. So I'm not sure if there is Forever 21 in the Philippines, but I'm pretty sure that it's so expensive here than in the Philippines. So how much is that? Yeah, $34.99 for that pajama. Okay, hindi lang kami bibili kasi medyo sobrang pricey, guys. Okay, wala na tayong nabili. Super mahal. Okay, tingin naman tayo sa iba, guys. So, yung mga ano niya, mga prices niya. Like for the long sleeve, it's $148. And just for pajama, $35. So, and for the slippers is $25. So, yeah. Yeah, they have a lot of stuff here that is also really nice.